How to find square root of 225 by division method. Okay, so to find out the square root of 225 by division method, first you need to make group from ones place to higher place. So from this side to this side. So this will be your first pair and this will be your second pair. In second pair you have just only one digit. Now you have to place a number whose square will be equal to this pair. Okay, so if you take here, look, 1, then the square of 1 is 1. Okay, if you take here 2, then square of 2 will be 4, which is greater than this 2, so we'll take here 1. Okay, so 1 square means 1, that is you have to take here a number whose square will be equal to this pair or near to this pair. So if you place 1, this one must come to the quotient side also. 1 times 1, that gives you 1. If you subtract, you are getting what? You are getting 1. Now bring down the next pair. You have placed here 1, so 1 must come under the divisor and you need to add 1 plus 1, 2. Now you need to place here a number and also you need to multiply this number by, that is, if you place here, look, 5, you need to also multiply this number by 5. Then 5 times 5, 25, right? 5 carry to the next column. 5 times 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 1, 25. So if you place here 5, this 5 must come to the quotient also. If you place here 5, that 5, so 5 times 25, 5 times 25, 125. Subtract, you are getting 0. Okay, you have placed here what? 5. The 5 must come before the divisor and you need to add. Okay, so 25 plus 5, 30. Look, this number, new divisor, will be double of this quotient. 15 times 2, 30. So our square root is correct. We can check like this. Since our remainder is 0, we are done. So the square root of 225 is 15.